It's my compressor. Right there are my horns. I have 4 of them. Let's go scare the fuck out of some people.
Okay.
I got the good one.
You good? Yeah.
Oh shit! Oh shit!
As good as I'm gonna get. Oh, dude, that's...
Ready?
Mm-hmm. Go ahead.
Do they jump?
I'm ready. Go ahead.
I'm too mature for that.
You good?
Yeah.
Yeah. You good?
Yeah.
What's up, brother? Oh, shit. She's a little hooked. Yeah. Oh, shit. What's up, brother? Go. Go. Woo! Woohoo! No, go forward a little bit and go. Go ahead. The dad jumped more. That's epic. Go. Do it again. Do it again. Do it again. What's up, brother? Yeah.
I'm gonna show you. I'm on TV. Yeah, man. What up? Yeah.
This will be on YouTube later, alright? Check.
Go.
Go.
Zoom in. Get her outside the room. Yeah, brother! What's up? What's up, man? Hey, hey, hey! What's up? That was epic.
Go.
You good?
Yeah. Oh my god, that was amazing.
Oh shit! Woo!
Let's wait a little bit. Slow down, slow down, slow down.
Go. You good?
Yeah.
That was. You good?
Yeah.
Oh shit. Did you get that guy that jumped?
The blue guy, yeah.
Did you get him? Did you get him?
Yeah. You wanna get the chick? Go. Yeah. Go. Go. Oh my god, that was Go. Yeah.
It's going.
It's like gay. Okay.
You good?
Yep.
Oh shit!
Do it. Do it. What's up, bro? Was that funny? That's a loud horn, huh?
Fuck me. Alright, ready, Joe? You recording? You ready?
Go.
Did they jump?
Yeah. Now they're laughing about. Yep. That was pretty fucking funny.
Alright, it's good. You like that? Should record the front row.
They're not even looking. That was funny. That was reacting.
She's like, where the hell did that come from?
They're both looking.
Are you still recording the game?
Yeah, I'm still recording. She's looking at us.
Look at the guy in the green. Record the guy in the green.
I'm watching the guy in the
Shit. Look at he's still like.
That was so fucking funny.
Just honk at him.
Yeah.
Nice siren, man. Did you just have a train horn there? When I got mine, it came with a train horn. You want to hear it?
No, I can't. Oh, I just heard it.
Mine came with a train horn. Do it. The Roman news. Dude. We got some asshole following us. Oh.
Man, you got angry. I'm sorry.
Hey, calm down, man.
Fucking window!
Cut on the freeway.
Those horns kick ass, man.
Yeah.
Scared the shit out of us.